Hi, this is a pre-algebra video on markup and discount. I'll just, so markup and discount. By what we mean by markup is that if I'm a retailer, somebody who's selling to the public, um, I buy my whatever I'm selling from somebody else, a wholesaler. So let's say I'm selling a computer. So, I'm in the business of selling computers. So I might buy the computer from Apple or from Hewlett Packard or from whomever for a certain amount, but then I sell it to you for more because I need to make my money too in my business. So let's say I buy a computer from the manufacturer for $200. And let's say my markup is 75%. Okay, so what that means is the markup is 75% of 200. So I take 0.75 times $200, and if I figure that out, that's $150. That's my markup. Now, if the problem's asking for the price I'm going to sell it to you, the consumer, for, it's going to be my price I buy it for plus my markup of 150, and so I'm going to sell the computer to you for 350. So that's the idea of markup. Let's say I'm now the other part of this is discounts. So for discounts, and this is, as a consumer, you see this more often. A discount might be something like it's your lucky day, it's 25% off all items in the store today. Okay, so you've seen things like that. So let's say I buy a camera, and the usual price is $800. But today it's 25% off. So to find the discount, I go 800, I get 20% of 800, or 800 times 0.2. Actually, it's 25% off, not 25% of 800. So 0.25 times 800. And 0.25 times 800 is $200. I don't buy the camera for $200. That's the amount I'm getting off. So what I can buy the camera for is 800 minus $200. And so I can buy the camera for $600. So that's the idea of finding a discount. And then if I've asked for the final price also, I subtract the discount from the original price, the discounted amount from the original price, to get the final price. Now, when I say final price, this usually isn't the absolute final price, because usually the state wants to come in and they want to apply a sales tax also. So let's say the sales tax is 7.5%, which is a common sales tax or something around there. We're going to make that into a decimal. So we move it 2 to the right, or to the left, I'm sorry, and we get 0.075. So 7.5% is equal to 0.075. If we take 0.075 times 600, that's going to give us the amount of the tax. So I'm just going to go over here, and I'm going to go to the calculator, and I'm going to go 0.075 times 600, and I get $45. So it's going to be $45. It's going to be $45 is the amount of the tax. Now, if it's asking for the final price that I'm going to pay out the door, it's 600, which is the discounted price, plus $45, which is the sales tax, and I'm going to buy the camera for $645, and that's the final price. So this will conclude the video on markups in discounts, and